we, the team members of Next Gen Solutions, were representing Salim Habib University at SiMerge 2025, and we won the competition.
One of the biggest challenges was to solve the case studies related to the real-life business challenges. Our leadership and management learnings helped us to resolve and tackle the best answers.
One of the biggest challenge in this competition was calculating the finance. The finance skills we have learned in a classroom really helped us in making the best suited financial strategy.
Business simulation activity that we did in our marketing course allowed us to apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios, which played a significant role in our SiMerge success.
So if you are the person who is looking for the right learning at the right platform, register now for the MBA program at Salim Habib University.